Now that we've made the antennas and we have both the pipe cleaner version and we also have the tinfoil version, I'm going to show you how to attach them. We're going to use a stapler for this part of the process, and we're going to just pull them through so that we end up getting the V part of the pipe cleaner, this part of the head. We have two options. We could go ahead and staple right here by just taking our stapler in and clipping, or we can take this other end of the pipe cleaner, or the antenna, and bring it through and wrap it around. And this will give us our pipe cleaners. You can reshape them if they lose their shape or if you want to change them at this point. Now, if you've done the tinfoil antennas, I'm going to show you how to attach those. Here are our tinfoil ones. We're just going to loop these through. We might have to pinch them a little bit tighter to make it thinner and easier to pull through. Just like that. And we can just wrap them around and plug a staple in. I like the look of the pipe cleaner, so I'm probably going to change it out.